We have continue or next in other language, which lets you skip to the next iteration of the loop, or redo to repeat the current iteration from the beginning. In Lua, we don't have such features, but we can make use of the goto statement to do the same thing. So continue is just about skipping the rest of the code. So you can mark one location at the end of the loop and jump there depending on the condition. Here I'm printing numbers 1 to 10. If I want to skip the odd numbers, we can go to continue and mark the end of the loop and name it continue. Although you can just pick any name, you can see that it is printing only the even numbers. We can do the same with redo. Mark one more location in the beginning of the loop and jump back to the beginning with some condition.